How does Ally verify identity? Intro. Hey there, you're trying to open a new bank account, but you don't have any of the traditional identification documents. What then? How can you prove who you are in a world that increasingly relies on digital verification? Hook. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of identity verification. Specifically, we'll explore how Ally, a leading digital bank, ensures that you are indeed who you say you are. So, let's get started. Section 1. The importance of identity verification. Why is identity verification so crucial in today's digital age? Well, it's all about security. Without proper verification, anyone could potentially open an account using someone else's identity, leading to fraud, financial loss, and a host of other problems. That's why Ally has implemented a robust identity verification process. Section 2. Ally's multi-layered approach. Ally doesn't rely on just one method to verify your identity. They use a multi-layered approach that combines different types of information. Let's break down the key steps involved. Step 1. Personal information verification. The first step involves providing basic personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ally will cross-reference this information with reputable data sources to ensure accuracy. Step 2. Document verification. Next, you'll be asked to provide copies of identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. Ally uses advanced technology to verify the authenticity of these documents and detect any signs of fraud. Step 3. Facial recognition. To add an extra layer of security, Ally may use facial recognition technology. This involves taking a selfie and comparing it to a photo on your identification document. If the two images match, it's a strong indication that you are who you claim to be. Step 4. Knowledge-based authentication. In some cases, Ally may also use knowledge-based authentication, which involves asking you questions about personal information that only you would know, such as your mother's maiden name or the first street you lived on. Section 3. The benefits of Ally's approach. Ally's multi-layered approach to identity verification offers several benefits. First, it's highly secure, making it difficult for fraudsters to bypass the system. Second, it's convenient, as you can complete the verification process entirely online without having to visit a branch. Finally, it's efficient, as Ally can quickly verify your identity and allow you to open an account. Section 4. Addressing concerns. While Ally's identity verification process is generally secure, there are always concerns about data privacy. Ally takes data security very seriously and has implemented robust measures to protect your personal information. They comply with all relevant data privacy regulations and use encryption to safeguard your data. Section 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ally's identity verification process is a crucial component of their commitment to security and customer protection. By using a multi-layered approach, Ally can ensure that only legitimate customers can open accounts and that their personal information is safeguarded. So, if you're looking for a secure and convenient way to open a bank account, Ally is a great option. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you have any questions about Ally's identity verification process or want to learn more about their other services, feel free to leave a comment below.